ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can answer a wide range of questions and engage in meaningful conversations. Whether you're looking for information, seeking advice, or just want to chat, ChatGPT is always ready to help. In this video, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT effectively to get the most out of your experience. We'll cover the basics of how to input your questions, how to interpret the responses, and how to engage in a dialogue with this remarkable language model. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First of all, let us know, what are the requirements to use ChatGPT? Number 1. OpenAI account. Those who want to use ChatGPT must have an account with OpenAI, the firm that created the bot. Fortunately, creating an account with OpenAI is free and easy. Go to ChatGPT's website and immediately create an account there. Do not forget that the verification process will require you to supply a working phone number. After that, continue reading. The registration process is also available on mobile devices. Once you have set up an OpenAI account, you are good to go ahead in the process. Number 2. A web browser. While it might seem obvious, ChatGPT can only be used with a fully functional web browser. You can use Google Chrome browser on your desktop to log in on ChatGPT and Safari browser on iOS. The interface of the ChatGPT is not so complex and so easy to use. Now, when you know the requirements necessary for using ChatGPT, let's get to how to use it. ChatGPT is a machine learning model that is designed to generate human-like responses to text-based prompts. It is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, from answering questions and providing information to engaging in conversation and creating content. In this article, we will explain to you step by step how to use ChatGPT effectively. Step 1. Choose a platform. There are various platforms that allow you to use ChatGPT, including websites, chatbots, and mobile apps. Choose a platform that suits your needs and preferences. Step 2. Open the chat window. Once you have chosen your platform, open the chat window to start a conversation with ChatGPT. This can be done by clicking on a button or typing in a command, such as Start Chat or Talk to ChatGPT. To help ChatGPT understand who it is talking to, it is important to introduce yourself. This can be as simple as saying hello or my name is. Providing some background information about yourself can also be helpful in giving ChatGPT context for the conversation. Step 3. Ask a question or give a prompt. ChatGPT is designed to respond to prompts or questions. Give it a specific prompt or ask it a question to start the conversation. The more specific the prompt, the better the response from ChatGPT. For example, if you want to know the weather in your city, you can ask, "What is the weather like in today?" Step 4. Wait for a response. After you have given ChatGPT a prompt or question, wait for it to generate a response. Depending on the complexity of the prompt, this may take a few seconds to a few minutes. It is important to be patient and not interrupt the model while it is generating the response. Once ChatGPT generates a response, review it to see if it answers your question or follows the prompt you gave. If the response is not what you were expecting, try giving a more specific prompt or question. It is also important to check for any errors or inaccuracies in the response. Step 5. Continue the conversation. If the response from ChatGPT is satisfactory, continue the conversation by asking another question or giving another prompt. Keep the conversation going until you have received the information you were looking for or until you are ready to end the conversation. When you are ready to end the conversation, let ChatGPT know by saying something like "thank you" or "goodbye." Some platforms may have a specific command you need to enter to end the conversation. Step 6. Save the conversation. If you want to save the conversation for future reference, some platforms allow you to do so. This can be helpful if you need to refer back to the information that was provided during the conversation. Tips for using ChatGPT effectively. Now, let us know about some useful tips, which will also enhance our experience a lot when using Chat. Be specific. The more specific your prompt or question, the better the response from ChatGPT. Another thing which will help you while using this powerful AI is to be patient. ChatGPT may take a few seconds to a few minutes to generate a response, so it is important to be patient and not interrupt the model while it is processing the request. Also try to use proper grammar and spelling. ChatGPT responds to text-based prompts, so it is important to use proper grammar and spelling to ensure the model understands the request. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you find answers to your questions and engage in meaningful conversations. By following the simple steps we've outlined in this video, you can use ChatGPT effectively to get the most out of your experience. Whether you're looking for information, seeking advice, or just want to chat, ChatGPT is always ready to help. So go ahead and try it out and see for yourself just how useful and versatile this language model can be. Well, what do you guys think about this type of artificial intelligence models? Do share your views on this topic in the comments section. And if you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to bring you amazing videos like this. We will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.